All right, I'm going to show you a set of knee pads like you've never seen before that work really well and will protect you and stay in position all day long. All right, I've just finished sheeting the floor in this storage building at my Lake Superior property, and I've been using these knee pads that were sent to me by Nado Products from California. And they're a really interesting set of knee pads. They've got this little support on the front that sits on the top of your boot or your shoe and prevents that knee pad from sliding down. Now, about a year ago, I did a review on these Troxel knee pads, which I still think are great. These are my go-to knee pads, and what's nice about these is they're so simple to put on. So for the majority of the smaller jobs I'm doing, these are my go-to knee pads. That said, I've been doing a few jobs here, like sheeting this floor, where I'm undercutting door frames and I'm working for, like yesterday I did an 8-hour day putting this floor down and doing all the trimming and whatnot. And these knee pads are really rigid, really good protection on the knees. And more importantly, they don't slide down or twist. And I found myself never having to adjust these. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about these knee pads designed for tactical or special ops soldiers. And the same concept where you're moving around and you're doing lots of active changing in positions, these knee pads won't wander all over the place. All right, so got the knee pads on. And I've been messing around in the ditch here. We're doing some plumbing. My buddy Ted is giving me a hand. And I've been doing all sorts of nailing and climbing and whatnot. And those knee pads have not moved one bit and are providing good support. This is sitting right on top of my boot and it's working really well. I'll just show you the knee pads and I'll let you know what I think. First of all, these were given to me to try out, but I am going to be unbiased in my opinion. And overall, I do think they're a really good set of knee pads for this kind of work. And yeah, I will admit that having 3 straps to do up versus 1 strap is a bit of a disadvantage, but if you're doing an 8-hour job, what difference does that make to take a few more seconds to throw the knee pad on at the beginning of the day? All right, so here's the knee pads and the knee pad support system that I tried out from Nado Products. What is unique about these knee pads is this support system, which can hook around your leg or on the top of your boot and onto the knee pad. Now you can use these with your own brand of knee pads, but they sell these as a system or separate. They also refer to this as the KP support. Now, this pad right here is called the Tactical Industrial Knee Pad Support System. This is meant to be used with a low-cut boot or running shoe, and that sits right on top of the boot right here, or the shoe, and the straps go around the leg, and then you can adjust this support by sliding this up and down. The other model is the military or industrial KP support. And the difference between this is the length of the knee pad support, and that's this portion right here. So this can be hooked around your pant leg or the top of your boot. I actually took this pair of knee pads over to the sergeant of the tactical team here where I used to be a member of, and in fact I was the sergeant of the team, and it's a hostage rescue team here in Canada. And he tried out the knee pads with the support system and really felt that they were a worthwhile knee pad. He liked the fact that there was no Velcro on them, which makes noise. And of course, that is an issue for military and police application, but not so much for construction or industrial wearers. So anyway, he tried them out. He liked them very much. They wear a knee pad system that is integrated into their pants. So it's a knee pad that slips right into the pant itself. And I contacted the owner of Nado Products, Miguel Maldonado, and he mentioned that the drawback of knee pads that fit into your pants, and I know you can buy them for carpentry, is if your pants sag during the day, then your knee pads will as well. So in this case, these knee pads, they're independent of your pants. They go over top. And in fact, if you go to nadoproducts.com, you will see people testing them, and they're actually running and then sliding on their knees, and they're not coming out of place. Now that, of course, is not what they're meant for, but it can happen in certain applications. I use these knee pads right here, the tactical model, while I was working on my Lake Superior property, and I was doing a lot of work in gravel and trenches and digging and all sorts of stuff, and they never did come out of place. So that is a real big advantage. One of the things I like about this knee pad system is it's developed by a welder fabricator that identified a need for a better knee pad and is building them on his own property in his shop with CNC machines that he's designed himself. So check out Nado Products. And in fact, if you like the knee pads, you can purchase them and just put the code FTC10 when you place your order, and you'll get a 10% discount. They also make a different style of knee pad, like so. There's the two different styles of knee pad you can purchase, and you can buy these independent of the knee pad support, which clamps onto the knee pad, and you can even use that support with your existing knee pads. One thing I did notice is that there are screws, clamps, and pins on the knee pad support system that could potentially mark a hardwood floor. So if you're a hardwood person, you need to be aware of that. I suppose you could wrap tape around those pins, or opt for a different style of knee pads. The one nice thing about these knee pads is I have worn different styles of knee pads for hardwood floors and ceramic floors, and they feel like you're wearing a set of hockey goalie pads, and these are much more comfortable, much lighter, and they're not going to interfere with your ability to move around, climb ladders, and so on. So this would be a great knee pad for anybody that is working on construction sites, having to wear knee pads all day. And just for you young fabricators and builders out there, knee pads are really important to wear when you're young, because once you get to my age, then you'll know whether you should have been wearing knee pads. And in my case, I can't kneel for 30 seconds without having pain in my knee because I didn't wear knee pads when I was younger. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. Short little review here. And once again, if you like these knee pads, go to nadoproducts.com, enter the code FTC10, and you'll get a 10% discount. Take care. See you on the next video.